Hello, welcome to new video. Today we discuss about evolutionary process model, spiral model and prototyping model. Evolutionary model is a combination of iterative and incremental model of software development life cycle. Delivering your system in a big bang release, delivering it in incremental process over time is the action done in this model. Some initial requirement and architecture envisioning need to be done. It is better for software products that have their feature sets redefined during development because of user feedback and other factors. The evolutionary development model divides the development cycle into smaller incremental waterfall models in which users are able to get access to the product at the end of each cycle. Feedback is provided by the users on the product for the planning stage of the next cycle, and the development team responds often by changing the product plan or process. Therefore, the software product evolves with time. Spiral model. Okay. The spiral model, initially proposed by Bohm, is an evolutionary software process model that couples the iterative feature of prototyping with the controlled and systematic aspects of the linear sequential model. It implements the potential for rapid development of new versions of the software. Using the spiral model, the software is developed in a series of incremental releases. During the early iterations, the addition release may be a paper model or prototype. During later iterations, more and more complete versions of engineered system are proposed. Phases of spiral model. Customer communication. Tasks required to establish effective communication between developer and customer. Second, planning. Tasks required to define resources, timelines, and other project related information. Risk analysis. Tasks required to access both technical and management risks. Engineering. Task required to build one or more representation of the application. Uh, Construction and release. Task required to construct, test, install, and provide user support. And last, customer evolution. Task required to obtain customer feedback based on evolution of the software, representations created during the engineering stage, and implementation during the installation stage. Spiral model advantages. The spiral model is perfect for projects that are large and complex in nature, as continuous prototyping and evolution help in mitigating any risks. Because of its risk handling ability, the model is best suited for projects which are very crucial, like software related to the health domain, space exploration, etc. This model supports the client feedback and implementation of change requests, that is CRS, which is not possible in conventional models like a waterfall. Since customer gets to see a prototype in each phase, so there are higher chances of customer satisfaction. Spiral model disadvantages. Because of prototype development and risk analysis in each phase, it is very expensive and time taking. It is not suitable for simpler and smaller projects because of multiple phases. It requires more documentation as compared to other models. Project deadlines can be missed since the number of phases is unknown in the beginning, and frequent prototyping and risk analysis can make things worse. Then prototyping model. Last. Okay. Often a customer defines a set of general objectives of software but does not identify detailed input processing or output requirement. In other cases, the developer may be unsure of the efficiency of an algorithm, the adaptability of an operating system, or the form that human or machine interaction should take. In this and many more situations, a prototyping paradigm may offer the best approach. Okay. Phases of prototyping communication. Firstly, developer and customer meet and define the overall objectives, requirements, and outline areas where further definition is mandatory. Then quick plan. Based on requirements and others of the communication part, a quick plan is made to design the software. Modeling quick design. Based on the quick plan, a quick design occurs. The quick design focuses on the representation of those aspects of the software that will be visible to the customer or user, such as input approaches and output formats. Construction of prototype. The quick design leads to construction of prototype. Deployment, delivery, and feedback. Last stage. The prototype is evaluated by the customer or user and used to refine requirements for the software to be developed. All these steps are repeated to tune the prototype to satisfy users' need, at the same time enable the developer to better understand what needs to be done. Then advantages of prototype model. Reduce the risk of incorrect user requirement. Good where requirements are changing or uncommitted. Regular vision process aids management. Support early product marketing. Reduce maintenance cost. Errors can be detected much earlier as the system is made side by side. Disadvantages of prototype model. uh, it has many disadvantages. An unusual or badly implemented prototype often becomes the final product, require extensive customer collaboration, costs customer money, needs committed customer, difficult to finish if customer withdraw, may be too customer specific, no broad market, difficult to know how long the project will last, easy to fall back into the code and fix without proper requirement analysis, design, customer evaluation, and feedback. Prototyping tools are expensive. Special tools and techniques are required to build a prototype. It is time consuming process. Okay, so this is all about prototyping model, and we have also seen spiral model. um, See, basically, um, moral is that every model has similar steps. Means first client and uh, client communication, means communication with customer, then they make a plan, then according to it they um, make a design, then they choose the model, which model we have to work out, and then they do coding, then analysis, testing, and then deployment. Okay, this is basically similar concepts or similar steps in every model. So uh, you just have to learn it, you just have to understand it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe if you learn something from it, and share to your friends. Thank you so much, and watch my other videos. Thank you.